When calling M&M Home Remodeling Services, each of our customers will receive a pleasant reception from one of our call center professionals.
It's a great day at M&M Home Remodeling Services. This is Rachel. How can I assist you?
The main objective of the call taker is to make sure that the customer gets their questions or requests answered. All calls are recorded for quality assurance so we can continue to get better as a team. At M&M, we make sure that we speak with the homeowner prior to scheduling an appointment. We want to make sure we have the necessary permission to have a team member from our sales department visit the property. We check for accurate contact information of the caller so that the proper address is being used when creating an appointment. We want to make sure that our expert team member arrives at the customer's home when they are scheduled to do so. Since this is the beginning of what could become a lifetime relationship, getting the contact information correct on the front end allows for the opportunity of future connections. Listening is a key element of the call. Knowing exactly what the customer is looking for allows for the proper assignment of the right sales expert. Each of our team members specialize in their own field of service. Our call center's professionalism doesn't end at the conclusion of the call. You can expect an email confirmation of the scheduled appointment for your calendar. Prior to the appointment, the customer will receive a confirmation from the call center or the sales professional who will be visiting the home. The call center is your first introduction to the M&M family. The moment the call comes in, we know it is our opportunity to bring peace of mind to another valued customer.